Simplify 8 over 7v minus 6 plus 4 over 3v squared. Now, whenever you add fractions and the denominators are not the same, you need to make them the same. So in this case, what we're going to have to do, and it's not going to be pretty, is since this denominator is 3v squared, I'm going to multiply this first fraction by 3v squared over 3v squared. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I'm going to have to multiply this fraction by 7v minus 6 over 7v minus 6. So what's going to happen is you multiply these two guys together. Okay, so 3 times 8 is 24v squared. Okay, this guy, multiply these two together, we're going to end up with, well, actually, let's wait. Let's just wait to multiply them through, because maybe something magical will happen. Every now and then when you do these, something magical will happen, so I'm going to wait. We'll leave that be. Now, if I multiply 4 times 7v, that's going to be 28, the distributive property, and then I'm going to have 4 times negative 6, which is negative 24, all over 3v squared 7v minus 6. Now that the denominators are exactly the same, I can combine these fractions, and nothing magical is going to happen. I have 24v squared plus 28v minus 24, no combining like terms. So what I really should do now is, now that I know that that's 3v squared times 7v minus 6, distribute that. So that gets me 21v cubed, and 3v squared times negative 6 is going to be negative 18v squared. So, yeah, definitely not the prettiest princess on the planet, but yeah, that's how you do it.